Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Did you get a lunch break?
One second, ma'am.
Yes.
Let me be serious at your lighter note. And let me be very serious at your very lighter note.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन आपसे पूछ रही हूँ। आपको आज लंच ब्रेक मिला? नहीं मिला। तभी आप बार-बार जयराम जी का नाम ले रहे हैं। आप उनके नाम बगैर लिए आपका खाना हजम ही नहीं होगा।
अब एक चीज बताऊं, लाइटर नोट पर बताऊं, मैंने लंच रिसेस में लंच नहीं लिया, पर उसके बाद मैंने लंच जयराम जी के साथ लिया और आज ही लिया। एंड लेट मी टेल दी डिस्टिंग्विश्ड ऑनरेबल मेंबर, ये पहला मौका शायद कि मैं आपका भी फैन हूं और अमिताभ जी का भी हूं। हैं? नहीं, ऐसा कोई कपल मुझे मिला नहीं और।
हाँ, तभी मेरा नाम ऐसा।
On that point.
Thank you.
Yeah. Otherwise, ma'am, on a lighter note, a very serious issue, I'm a consistent person. And my past is proof of it. Shri Johar Sarkar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for permitting me to stand in support of the resolution for the dissolution of NEET by Mr. Abdullah. Sir, we support this resolution not because we are in the opposition. We support this resolution because we sincerely believe in the federal system of government. This over-centralization that is being undertaken on a daily basis on every subject is anti-federal. And anti-federalism is not just a political word. Sir, आप हिंदुस्तान के दिल समझते नहीं. We are a regionally diverse and different people. We have in each region, in each state, certain cultural traits that do not match with others. But we are all Hindustanis at heart. We don't need to be given lessons in nationalism. It is anti-federal, and therefore we oppose it. We believe in the autonomy of every state. Sir, this exam is in favor of only one board, and that has been proven again and again, the CBSC. It's a CBSC-oriented examination that favors CBSC candidates. Sir, I'm not against CBSC. It's an excellent board. But what I'm saying is that other boards that teach equally good, that teach equally well, are not given a fair chance under an over-centralizing move. When I talk of this, I have empirical proof of studies made by scholars where, for instance, they have said that the largest board in India is not CBSC. It is the Maharashtra board that is the largest. When they say that where examinations are concerned, objectively, the students of Bengal have done very well in physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, but they can't fare well in this NEET exam. Sir, ये भी आपको समझना चाहिए, these expert studies. Sir, to me, it does not matter whether it was brought in by the Congress or by the NDA. What matters is that the experience with NTA has proved to be bad. So let us take into cognizance the experience we have gone through it, and let us try to come across with a better system than what we already have inherited from this government or that government. जो हमारे पास है, उस पर let us start functioning. The first, another objection that I would like to put in is to this quick computer marking system, this OCR, कि tick करो and मिल जाए, tick करो and मिल जाए. This does not test the knowledge of a student. It doesn't test the aptitude of a student. It only eats. It is only eaten by the computer. You do it because it is convenient. I do it in my state also because it is convenient. It is time for us to hark back to knowledge through small questions narrative, and to take away this computer ticking multiple choice system that is the breeding room of corruption everywhere. Everywhere. Sab jagah. And this one is what we want to go in for. Test knowledge, test knowledge. This NTA system, I call it NTA system, has given way to a lot of coaching centers. You have CBSE, you have coaching, and put them together, you have an advantage. And that advantage has been empirically proved to be one of caste, class, and money power. Net, whatever it is. We talk about the lack of accountability. A society, a registered society like one of those mohalla societies is running the nation. Why? Why can't it be under an act of parliament? Why can't it be accounted for by the CAG? Why can't its report be discussed in parliament? Accountability. I stand in support of Mr. Abdullah's resolution on one ground of accountability. Then we have of corruption. As I said, corruption is there. Can NTA prevent corruption? Can the NEET results prevent corruption? The number given in NEET is sold and you get a seat elsewhere against that number, not because you have exceedingly passed it. Sir, when you talk of these things, let us understand it's a question of supply, demand, and quality. Our students are going to Uzbekistan to study medicine. Usko baare kya hoga? When they're going to Slovenia and Ukraine to study medicine, usko baare kya hoga? So we are in a position where we really need to rethink on medical education, because that is the topic today. Sir, at the end, I will appeal to both sides, and let us face one fact. Let us touch our hearts and face one fact. You are going in for over-centralization because, and one nation, because you are fighting an elite that was brought up in English. You are fighting an English-speaking elite. आप दिल से नहीं बोलते, मैं जुबान से बोल देता हूँ. But you are replacing that with a Hindi-speaking elite. That is the point. You are destroying an English-speaking elite with a Hindi-speaking elite. You know the difference? मैं 3 भाषा जानता हूँ. मैं 3 भाषा में लिख सकता हूँ, पढ़ सकता हूँ. लेकिन जो संकीर्ण है, कहीं के भी संकीर्ण हो, वो एक ही भाषा जानते हैं और उस भाषा का सिवा चिंता भी नहीं कर सकते, सोच भी नहीं कर सकते, दूसरों को संस्कृति समझते नहीं, दूसरों को भाव नहीं समझते. यही, that is the difference. I know 3 languages, 3 Sanskritis, and I'm proud to be an Indian. I'm proud to be an Indian. If the other who are opposing this system can also think in 3 languages.
No, it's not.
Sir, let him speak after I've spoken.
ऐसा सुनिए मैम, स्पेसिफिक एलिगेशन किसी के खिलाफ नहीं है. संकीर्ण जनरल टर्म में बोल रहे हैं.
अगर एलिटिज्म की बात करनी चाहिए, अग्रगति की बात करनी चाहिए,
ऑब्जेक्शन नो डाउट, क्योंकि संकीर्ण जनरल टर्म आप किसी पर्टिकुलर व्यक्ति के लिए नहीं बोल रहे.
Languages to survive in India, not try to learn only one language and demean 2 others, the regional and the English. We must learn 3 languages, the 3-language formula that we swear by, but actually practice only 1 language. और वो संकीर्ण, जहीं के भी हो संकीर्ण है, that narrowness, that thing you try to impose on others. That is the sum and substance of our obsession with NTA, with NEET, with one India, one nation. हमें किसी की कोई सुझाव की जरूरत नहीं. We are all nationalists.